Okay, we're going to try an FPV flight in the wind today. It's real windy. It's been bad all week. I have a new patch antenna, triple feed. I want to see how it does out here, and I put an extension on the lollipop antenna, the Fox here. So we're going to check it out and see how it goes. Here we go. She's all ready. Kind of windy for this today, but it should be a fun flight. And there's somebody mowing, so I can't really go too far. We'll go down this way. Okay, this patch antenna is working nice. This is the one I'm going to use for long range, so I just want to see how it works out here. I usually use the Foxia Echo patch. Flying nice in the wind. I don't know where that guy is, so we're only going to stay as close as possible here. Okay, I like this patch antenna. It's flying really good with it. Yeah, I love flying this thing in the wind. Flies really, really nice. It's a great plane to fly. It's fun. I'm practically flying it blind. I forgot to put my glasses on. So yeah. But I could still see, I guess. It's fun. Yeah, it's pretty windy today. I could hear that lawnmower getting closer. I don't know where he is. Oh, it's real windy. Whoa. Little cross breeze there. Excellent little plane to fly. Excellent. The wind pushes this thing all over the place. But it likes the wind. It flies pretty good in the wind. Ooh, look how slow it's going in the headwind. Okay, coming in for a landing. Wow, it's real windy. Ooh. Nice. Great flight. Okay, the patch antenna worked great, and it was a good flight in the wind. Not bad. Love this plane. UMX Ultrix in the yard today. Batteries are dead. The lights are flashing red. Just in time. Quick 5-minute flight. We have to order new batteries. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next one. These aren't my glasses for this, for the goggles. These are just my regular glasses. I have different glasses for my goggles. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next one.